Hey guys, it's Stacy here. Welcome back to my channel. Now today I want to share with you a couple of gardening tool belts that I picked up from Amazon. I really wanted one of these so I can be hands-free in the garden and not weigh down my pockets. And so I purchased the two that were my favorite, and my plan is to keep my very favorite and send the other one back because I'm only going to need one. Now these were my two favorite after reading reviews and just reading about them online. And so you can only do so much just seeing them on a screen, and so I wanted to order them both so I can see them in person. Now these are both great options if you're in the market for something like this, and so I will be going over both of these again because you may like one style over the other, and so I will have links in the video description below if you would like to check these out. They're both under that $20 price point, which I think is a super great deal. So let's get to it. Now the first one here, it has this kind of plastic clasp or buckle here that works really great. You can see a nice wide size here on the belt that measures about 2.5 inches wide. A little bit wider here, probably closer to that 2.5. This is more 2 inches. Now this belt adjusts to sizes 31 inches to 53 inches. Now you can see I have a little bit more room here to extend this out. And then if you turn it around, so here is what it looks like, guys. Now this does move on the belt, so you can move it to the side or just wherever you want it. I'm going to keep it here to kind of show you more of the front. Now this is a canvas material, and you can see really a large pocket here in front. Now I did remove, it did have a big tag here on the front. I removed that. Now you can see, big pocket, I can fit both of my hands in. Now this does measure about 13 inches and pretty much close to 13 inches from top to bottom, side to side. Now again, it does have another pocket here. I can fit both of my hands in there as well. Here's another pocket, a third pocket, and I can fit my whole hand in there. And then a few little slots here for markers, a couple for pens. And so I'm really loving this one, guys. So I can take my cell phone, some pruners, maybe, a Sharpie or a pen, couple of seed packs, and some little, markers, kind of mark what I'm planting. I can use my Sharpie to kind of write on that. So just a few things in here, guys, and I'm ready to go out to the garden. So I'm really loving this one. Now the price of this one was $15 and some change, and I'm loving it. So I think you'll be able to wash this one off really easily. You may be able to wash it, I'm not sure. Now here in the back it's just plain green, no pockets in the back. Beautiful green and gray color combo here. So I'm really loving this one after seeing it in person, having it on. I really feel like it's going to be super durable, last me a long time, and for $15 you really can't beat that. So guys, this is the second garden tool belt that I purchased from Amazon. Now this one has a totally different look and feel than the first one. It has more of a natural look with the use of the leather. Now this is a faux leather, of course, at a $19 and some change price point. So a little bit more expensive than the first option that I shared with you, but it is still under that $20 price point, which I think makes it a really great deal. Now this one was kind of folded up in a box when I first got it, and it did come with a little kind of free gift, which I think is nice. But I did have to lay it out to kind of relax a little bit because it does feel a little more stiff than the other one. Now this one, I think it kind of has an elephant look to it with the kind of gray color, and I kind of like it. And so this one here, smooth leather and feel to it, and then here on the back, it feels more like suede, kind of that softer feel. So again, this one, you may like that look a little better. Now, this one does have a big, generous pocket here, just like the other one. You can really fit a lot of stuff in here. Again, 2 smaller pockets here, but these pockets, it would be hard for me to fit both of my hands in here. This one, you can see, not as deep. The pocket's not as tall as the other option that I shared with you. So again, this may work for you better. You never know. And so here, there's like a little loop. You can kind of put a tool in there, and then a little ring here that you can, I guess, hook on some keys or whatever. So you may like that option as well. Now here, this one doesn't adjust as large, but it does adjust smaller. You can see here just a leather strap in the color brown, and it kind of fastens with these 2 middle rings here. And so this one, the width of the strap, not as wide than the other one. So I don't know, maybe this one would break easier over time, but I'm not sure. I haven't given it a try yet. And so this one here, it adjusts to 24 inches and out to 46 inches. Now this one, online it does say that it is waterproof and also washable, so I think that's nice. I don't know if they mean with a garden hose and kind of wiping it down or actually putting it in the washer. I'm not sure. So this one here, you can see I can fit some seed packets in here. You know, my little garden tags. You know, my cell phone can go in here. My pruners. You know, I can put some pins down here with my cell phone. So you can fit some things in here. And so really it's just whatever style and look that you like. Now this one is shaped a little differently. So I think the measurements are a little different. I think kind of from top to bottom, close to 12 inches. And then here across the top, 13.8 inches. And then here smaller across the bottom, 9 inches. So again, just a different option with a different look and style. And so really, it's really just kind of up to you. Me, I think I would kind of wear it on my side as opposed to here in the front. But again, you can wear it however you like. Now guys, if you're loving this video so far, give me a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. So guys, after trying out both options in person here, kind of trying them on, the one that I'm going to keep is this one. This one here, I just loved after putting it on, you know, putting my things in there. I was getting really excited. There's just a place for everything. I kind of like the shape. It makes better use of the pockets. You can make them deeper and wider. It's just really nice, I think, and it just feels really nice quality. I love that the straps are wider. I think just overall it's going to function best for me. Now, don't get me wrong. I really love the look of this one. It's kind of stylish, you know, with the natural look of the leather, but again, I think this one will function best for me, but both good options. So you know, either one is going to be a winner. Now this one, kind of a little bit of a bonus, it was the cheaper of the two. So you know, in the end guys, it's just my opinion, and I think this one is going to work out best for me. Now guys, let me know down in the comment section below which gardening tool belt was your favorite, or maybe you have one. Let me know how that one is working out for you, or let me know your favorite one maybe that you purchased. And so I would love to hear from you. Now if you like kind of comparison videos like this, I actually did one on those collapsible garden waste bags. I did one on the Kangaroo pop-up bag from Fiskars, and also the one from the Sleek Garden brand. And so that video you can check out here, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.